How to fix the login problems in FPL. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles on login in your FPL application, here is what you should do. First and foremost, make sure to double check your email or password. However, if you're having trouble with the email and password, you can continue with Google or other linked accounts to log in. Next up, make sure you have updated your application to latest version. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for FPL, and if there is an update button, make sure to tap on it. However, if it's already updated and you're still getting the login problem, you might have to reinstall the application. To do so, head over to home screen, long press your FPL app, tap on delete app and confirm it. Once that is done, again reinstall the application. However, if it is a server-related issue, you might have to wait until it is fixed. You can check it on the official FPL Twitter or X account page or Premier League status page. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.